Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to make a natural facial cleanser. This is going to be a dry facial cleanser, and this cleanser is going to be rich in vitamins and minerals. We're going to use anti-aging ingredients that are known to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. We're also going to be using like green tea, which can also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. This cleanser is going to be friendly to most skin type, and anyone can whip it up in their home. We're just going to use ingredients that you can find around the kitchen, like rice and oatmeal. So if you're interested, if you're looking for an amazing dry facial cleanser that you can also keep in your refrigerator for up to 6 months, this video is for you. Don't forget to watch this video to the end, and if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is as easy as that, and click on the bell icon so that each time I post a video you'll get a notification right away. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So to make our homemade DIY facial wash, our first ingredient is going to be oatmeal, and oatmeal contains exfoliating properties which help to exfoliate the skin. Using oatmeal on the skin can help to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. It can also help to get rid of grease and dirt. It is perfect for acne prone skin. My next ingredient is going to be rice, and rice contains exfoliating properties, but rice also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to boost collagen and elastin. It helps to tighten the skin, and it is also great for all skin type. Now my next ingredient is going to be green tea, and green tea is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also boost collagen and elastin in the skin. When you mix the green tea with the rice and the oatmeal, it's going to create a very powerful and a very unique DIY facial cleanser, and this cleanser is going to be good for most skin type. My next ingredient is going to be orange peel, and orange peel is rich in vitamin C, but when you blend the dry orange peel, it also contains exfoliating properties that will help to lighten, brighten, and get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. This is also good for acne prone skin. Now here I have one optional ingredient. You can choose to use it or you can choose to leave it out, and it is baking soda. The granules in baking soda are extremely fine, and when you use it on the skin, it kind of gives your skin like a microdermabrasion because of the fine granules. So those of you out there who cannot go and get a professional microdermabrasion done, then you can use a little bit of the baking soda. So I'm going to use just a little bit in this facial wash. So the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to be blending the ingredient. We're blending it to a powder. So what we're going to do first, we are going to add some rice, and we're using about 3 tablespoons of rice, and we're blending all the ingredients separately. So let's just cover and let's just blend our rice. Now once our rice has been blended, let's pour this out, and you can see we blend it to a powder. And take a look at the granules, guys. Very, very fine granules. And what we're going to do next, we are going to be blending the oatmeal. So let's just pour this out. And now let's blend to a powder. Let's give this a check. And this could be a little finer, so let me blend a second time. Now this should be good. Let's reach back for our bowl. Oopsie. And let's pour this out. Nicely blended. And we're going to put this aside and take a look. This is our orange peel, and here we already have some blended orange peel, and this amount is good enough. So let's put this aside. We also have the green tea, which we're not going to blend. And now we're going to put all of this together. So we're going to use, let's measure. So we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of the rice. We're just using all of that, 3 tablespoons of rice. Next, we're going to reach for the oatmeal. And we're using about 3 tablespoons of the oatmeal. So the rice and the oatmeal should be equal portion. Now once this is done, we want 1 tablespoon of the orange peel. We're just going to pour this in. We're a little under, but 1 tablespoon. Next, we're going to reach for the green tea. And we're using 2 tea bags of the green tea leaves. And this is going to give us about a tablespoon from both of the green tea. We pour one in. And let's pour the other one in. So about a tablespoon. If you have loose leaf for green tea, go ahead and blend. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for my optional ingredient, which is baking soda. Choose to use it or choose to leave it out. And we're using just a half a teaspoon of the baking soda. Pour this in. And now we are going to blend all the ingredients together. If you have matcha powder, you can use a little in this recipe also. Another thing that I like to use in this recipe is dried milk powder. So if you have that, go ahead and use it. The thing that you need to know, if you use the dry milk powder, this is going to shorten the shelf life of the mixture. So you can add it just before you use it or make a smaller batch. So here we have all the dry ingredients blended together. Our amazing DIY facial wash, dried facial wash. Now let's reach for a jar. And we're going to pour this in. Let's slowly pour it in. And if you want this to be even finer, after you mix everything like I did here, you can go ahead and you can choose to blend a second time. If you want it to be really, really powder-like. I like it this way with a little bit of a granules. So when you're washing, you are also getting some exfoliating properties. And this is what makes this really, really versatile. Another thing that I like about this facial wash is that it is dry. So you can keep it in your refrigerator for a long time, 6 months or more. And you can also take it with you wherever you go. Now, when it comes on to this facial wash, guys, there's so many other ingredients that you could put in it. One other ingredient that I like to use is clay. I didn't put it in it because it's optional, and a lot of you might not have access to clay, but you can use Fuller's Earth or you can use any form of a clay in this recipe. To use a facial wash, all you have to do is just take a little bit of the powder, about a half a teaspoon of the powder. Then you're going to reach for some water. You're going to add the water to it. You're going to just make it into a paste like I'm showing here. And then you're just going to use it to wash your face. Just wash your face with it in circular motion. This is going to really clean the face, guys. This is going to leave the skin just smooth, clean, and clear. And if you have that clay in it also, guys, it's even going to kick it up a notch. So you just wash your face with it AM and PM, rinse off, and you're on your way to smooth, clear, bright looking skin. Remember, you can store this in the refrigerator and you can store it for up to 6 months, and a little goes a long way. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, don't forget to visit our store, ALESMAXii.com, where you can find all the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.